Wewega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with the Village Girl. My name is Wanjiro, aka the Village Girl, and today we are learning how to ask questions in Kikuyu. How do you say how? Tugagatia. I know. How do you say who? How do you say what? And all the other questions that are there to ask. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please share it. We are going to start with who. The question who. Who in Kikuyu we say no, no, no. Yeah, no. And note, I said no, not no. Okay, so no is to ask who. An example: who is that? I can see someone. I'm asking, who is that? No, where? Or where? No, where? Yeah. So you ask no, who is that? Or who bought these fruits? Who bought these fruits? No, ogorire matunda maya. No, ogorire matunda maya. So the question who is no. The second question we are looking at is what. What we ask neke, neke. But you can also say ke, ke. I might ask neke urarora. What are you looking at? Neke urarora. But if I wanted to ask what are you wearing, I say urekira ke, urekira ke. That question is where. Where? Where we say ko, ko or ko. Yeah. For example, we can ask, where are my clothes? We ask, wosiakwa sie ko, wosiakwa sie ko. Where are my clothes? Or we may ask, where is my mom? Where is my mom? Mami eko, mami eko. Okay, so ko means where. The fourth question is why. Why? So why we ask Mickey, Mickey. Note, when we were asking what, we said Mickey, but here we are saying Mickey, Mickey. Why? For example, in my previous video that I just mentioned, I asked women, Mickey, why weren't we talking about these things before? So Mickey. An example, I can ask, Urarira Mickey, Urarira Mickey. Why are you crying? Urarira Mickey. Okay? So we said, why is Mickey, Mickey. The fifth question that we are looking at is which, or which one. So the first one we are going to say, which car are you taking today? Uroya gari iriko. Uroya gari iriko. But when we are talking about a person, someone may ask, like the question I ask, no oria, no oria. So maybe there are two, and I may want to ask oriko, oriko, which one? So you're asking who is that? But since I'm seeing two people, I'm asking which one are you talking about? So it's oriko, oriko. So this one will depend on what you're talking about. If you're talking about vehicle, iriko. If you're talking about something like shoes, you can say kiriko, kirato kiriko, which shoe? If you are talking about food, you can say idio iriko, idio iriko, okay? So which is ireko, ireko, oreko. For something like papers, you ask maratabi mariko, maratabi mariko. Which papers are you talking about? Okay? At number 6, we have when. When we ask the question when, and we ask re, re. For example, you might tell me, I'll come visit you, and I'll ask re, wakari. When will you come? Waka re. Or I may say, I will be traveling, and you ask wadiri, wadiri. And if you wanted to ask me which day are you going, you say wadiyemubenya oriko, wadiyemubenya oriko. So you get the difference. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Number 7. 7, we have the question whose. Whose. Whose, we say ow, ow. This depends on the subject of the question. For example, if I wanted to ask whose baby is this? Whose baby is this? I'll say mwana uyu ni wao. Mwana uyu ni wao. Okay? If I wanted to ask whose dog is this? I'll say gui ino ni yao. So if I wanted to ask about bed, whose bed is this? I'll say gitanda yeke ni kiao. Ni kiao. Okay? Yes, so whose is ow, depending on what you are talking about. Number 8, we have how many or how much. And we say sigana, also depending on what you are talking about. So for sigana, we can talk about money. For example, if you go to a market and you wanted to ask someone, how much are you selling this for? So you ask Oredia pesa sigana or wena pesa sigana. How much money do you have? How many also is igana, okay? Igana, that is the step. Igana. Igana. For example, if I wanted to ask how many eggs do you have? I'll say wena matube maigana. Wena matube maigana. So how many eggs do you have? Wena siana sigana. How many children do you have? Wena atumia aigana. How many wives do you have? And finally, we have how. I should have started with this because I asked, how do we say who? How do we say which? How do we say when? Okay? So how is atia. Atia. For example, when I asked, how do you say who? In Kikuyu, I would say, tuwega atia who. Tuwega atia who. So how is atia. Atia, tuwega atia. How do you say? Tuwega atia. An example is if you wanted to ask someone, how was your night? How was your night? We say, utuko waku ukuhanaga atia. Or uraire atia. Uraire atia. How did you sleep? Uraire atia. Or how was your night? Utuko waku ukuhanaga atia. How was your day? Muthenya waku ukuhanaga atia. Toko rutawira atia. How will we work? Alright? I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Again, my name is Wanjiro. You can also call me the Village Girl. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you next time. Tigoega!